Now I'm going to plug in the camera and it's going to initialize, and this is just a normal micro USB. So once I've plugged in this camera, it's going to go through initialization sequence. So you see it's moving up and down, left and right.
Please configure camera by AP hotspot or scanning code.
So what you're going to do here is look for the app YCC365. Now there might be two, the YCC365 and the YCC365 Plus. Just choose the one without the plus and install the app. Now I'm going to punch in my desired username and password and click on sign up. Go through next, set up my password, go through the next screen, and it's going to send you a confirmation email. Make sure you go into the email, confirm the email link, which creates your account and confirms your account. And you could see now I can add a device. Now the easiest way is to add the device via QR code. I'm going to select intelligent camera, and I'm going to select the first choice, which is device adding by scanning the QR code. And I'm going to click that checkbox and click next. But keep in mind you have to reset the camera with that pin. So I have the included reset pin here, and I am going to push it into this reset for 5 seconds. And now I am going to release it.
Reset success. Please configure camera by AP hotspot or scanning code.
Now if I choose the QR code method, I will present the QR code to the camera itself. And the camera has beeped.
Please wait for Wi-Fi connecting. Please wait for internet connecting. Internet connected. Welcome to use cloud camera.
So now the registration has been successful via the QR code registration, and I am going to now name the device. So I'm going to say it's the living room. Start the experience. Choose this particular camera. Now as you can see, I can actually control the camera remotely from my phone. So I'm going to move the camera left and right, and you can see in the background the camera is moving, and I can move it up and down. So you could see the camera now moving up and down. I could also turn it, and it does have sound, so you could actually hear the sound that's coming from the camera. Now I can move it down again. So this camera is very decent for a $30 camera, where you could control it remotely from anywhere basically in the world and check out your living space while you're away, including the sound that goes on within the environment. And keep in mind here that you could also record if you put in an SD card in the camera itself. So there you go. That is the HeimVision HM202, and I'll have this link in the description area of the video. And I hope this helps, and please subscribe, and thank you for watching.